Hello, everyone. Previous video, we have learned about download and install Cisco Packet Tracer. In this video, I will show about how to use Cisco Packet Tracer and Simulator for network setup and configuration. Firstly, go to Packet Tracer icon, and double-click on it. Now you can see, Packet Tracer will open. This is the user interface of Cisco Packet Tracer. This interface, divided into 4 areas, which are Main Toolbar, Secondary Toolbar, Bottom Toolbar, White Space, or Work Area. Here, we are going to do setups and configuration. Bottom Toolbar, divided into left bottom toolbar and right bottom toolbar. In the left bottom toolbar upper portion, showing the components needed for construction of computer networks. For example, network devices have router, switches, and connections. Connections have straight through, crossover, and serial. Now, let us see a simple computer network. Go to Network Devices, and select a switch, then prefer a switch from the selections according to your requirements. Place it on the white area, and click over. You can see the switch now with its name and model. If you want to change the name of a switch, then go to the Property window, click once on the switch. If the device name is not visible, then go to the option and preference, then check whether show device name is selected. Now select End Devices. For example, we want 2 PCs. So, select Generic PC. When you select a device, press Control button on your keyboard, and click on it. Because you don't need to go to select the device each time you want to place it. Now a medium is required to connect the devices to make networks. In this case, select Straight Through, by press the Control button, because it is needed twice. Then, click on a PC, and click on Fast Ethernet port. Then, drag to the switch, and connect it in the port. And, do this same to the other PC, also. This is a simple network, done by using Cisco Packet Tracer. And you can also save your work. I'm saving on desktop. Done. This is the saved file, and you can edit or view anytime with this file. Alright, I think you have understand the basic introduction of how to use Cisco Packet Tracer for making a computer network.